So talk to me about the COVID market now. You're still in it. It's still a significant portion of revenues, right? So you do have to still pay attention to that. Talk to me about the global market. You just mentioned all the countries you're in. I know there's also a lot of focus on the health equity aspect, and Moderna has a track record of slowing down clinical trials to ensure equity, to opening up the doors for the mRNA hub in Africa, and also distributing at low tiered prices. So how do you see the company now with all these other candidates playing within that same realm? Do you see this continuation, and do you have the room to continue distributing to low and middle income countries as well?
Sure. I mean, those are great questions. So first, the commitment that Moderna has to fight COVID forever, because as you know, the virus is not leaving the planet, is unconditional. We believe we have a massive public health responsibility to always update the vaccine to bring the best possible science to protect people. We believe people are going to need once a year a booster. As you know, this year it's a bivalent. It has 2 mRNA in the dose. But if in the future we need 3 mRNA, 4 mRNA to give the breadth of coverage, we will do so. That is our commitment. And then, as we discussed, we're going to combine this with flu and other respiratory virus to make it easier for people to get strong, broad protection against many viruses. Also to reduce healthcare costs. As we know, when you go to get different vaccination, the cost of administration is a big part. In some hospitals, it's actually higher than the cost of the vaccine. So I think there's a big role we can do there. And in terms of low-income country, actually this morning, we've announced an extension of our partnership with COVAX for 2023. We think it's really important that the vaccine is available at cost for low-income countries. As you know, the plant in Kenya that Moderna is building with our own capital is yet another proof of our commitment to low-income country. And so we want the products to be available to people around the world, not only people in America.